guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure. And today we're going to
do science experiments for kids.
Let's get started. First thing we will need is one gummy bear, a ruler, water, and something to put the gummy bear in. First, we will measure the gummy bear. You can do inches or centimeters. What's your prediction what's going to happen to the gummy bear after we take it out of the water?
My prediction is it might get bigger or smaller, or it'll get taller or fatter or chubbier.
And that's our question for today. Why and how? Well, what if you had to choose one? Because I wrote all those down, and I'm going to circle the one we both think what's going to happen. I think that it's probably going to turn bigger.
Me too. I think it'll be bigger.
Bigger. What's your prediction? After we make our prediction, we'll pour the water into the cup. Good.
Then we get a gummy bear and
Drop it in.
hey yo, drop it in. Whee! I'm going skydiving.
And
Good night.
you can go maybe do something, and then when you come back, you'll see if it's getting bigger. Maybe hour after hour, you can see how big it gets, or how small it gets, how tall it gets, how short it gets, how fat it gets, or how skinny it gets.
Or if it vanishes.
Like magic.
A gummy here and it vanishes.
It's so cool. Wow. It's dissolving, kind of.
It looks like it's getting bigger.
There's stuff floating off of it, too. There's bubbles. And look at the bottom. So weird. It looks like Jell-O, doesn't it? There's a whole bunch of bubbles on it. And it's not red anymore.
Looks more white than red.
Whitish pink.
Yeah. It's time for him.
And the water's kind of pink. Wow.
Going up and down the...
It's running away.
Out the stream I go. I must have slept in the water. So cool.
Looks like he has lots of hands and arms.
And bubbles.
Last time when we saw him, he wasn't floating. Now he is. I guess he lost some weight. Now he knows how to swim, kind of.
Yay, he's swimming. He's swimming.
But he's a lot different when we put him in.
Yeah, no bubbles.
Because he used to have this tree on his chest and he had eyeballs. Now you can't even see any eyeballs.
Or the tree on his chest.
Yeah. Don't even know where his head is.
Yeah.
Good. He's falling apart now.
Falling apart.
Our predictions were
It would get bigger or fatter.
but it actually expanded, but then it got really weak.
He fell apart.
Yeah, I don't think we can measure him anymore.
All the dye and the candy dissolved. This was fun. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time at 4Kids Daily Adventures. Bye!